Role template is the grouping of granular permissions. These role templates admin can make according to requirements by just selecting the appropriate permissions. Let's say there is manager who wants to raise new incident, place service request for customers, approve those service requests, etc. Similarly, we have another requirement, who is trainee in the organization. For this trainee, you want to restrict the access. So, all this can be achieved through role templates. And then we can assign these role templates to the user profiles. Now, let's see how to do this. Go to Admin. Then under Users we have role templates available. Please note this important point. Right now I am getting filter option on role template just because I have logged in a super admin through global domain. As you must have your own domain access, you will not see this filter option. Let me select the domain, where we are going to configure all the modules. So this is all blank setup now. Let's add the new role template. Click on Add Menu Configuration. The first field on this page is for domain selection. Again, it is available only because I have logged in through global domain. So you must have got the idea that we can create the domain-wise role template as well. So whatever access permissions we provide here will be applicable only when the user logs into specific domain. Let's select the domain, provide the template name as sun_admin. Now, according to the role we are creating, we can select the landing page. This landing page is the first page user will see when they log in. Now for admin, I want landing page should be analyst dashboard page. But if you see here in drop-down, there are no any option available to select. On this screen we first need to select to which dashboard page this role will have access to. Once we select it, then system can ask us to select landing page. Let's say, for admin, we will give user dashboard, analyst dashboard, knowledge dashboard, asset dashboard access. Once you select all these dashboard pages, we need to click on refresh button so that these selected pages will be fetched to the drop-down. Now, you can see the list is available to select the landing page. Let me select the landing page for this role should be analyst dashboard. So whenever any user with this role permission logs in, they will land on analyst dashboard page. From the list of modules on left-hand side, we can give permissions for selected module. As we are creating role template for admin, I need to select admin from the list and apply all the permissions. Let's verify if all the access is checked. Yep. It's done. As of now, it is what we need to set. Click on Submit. Here on the listing page, we can see the admin role created. Now, I need to create a user account for myself which I will be using to log into Sun IT Tenant. Go to Admin menu, Users, User List. So currently there is no user setup. Click on Add New. Select the domain name as sun_IT. Give username. Let's say username is sunadmin. Email address is sun_admin@sunit.com. For now, I will not provide general details. So let me go to Access tab. The login type will be form login. Let's set up the password. And re-enter the same password for confirmation. I don't want my password to be changed and neither to receive notification about it. I will uncheck these boxes. I don't want my account to be expired, so let me check this box. And now here I will assign the role template created for admin to the user profile. Make sure you note the username for further use. Once all the details are filled, click on Submit. And now I will log in with my super admin account for Sun IT Tenant. Now, here you can see I have limited access. Just a admin and dashboard access, which we have given in the role template. From here we will start to configure the entire tool from the scratch. Now, from here we will again go to Admin, Role Templates. Open the admin role created and click on Other Configuration. This is important steps, as if we don't give these permissions now, you might face some challenges in future for access. And here you will decide to which tenant data this role will have access to. So if you have created multiple tenants, you will see the list here with checkboxes. Here I can see 2 tenants, so select both the tenants for admin screen as well as general screens. And give report screen access as well with this role for both the tenants. Remaining part we will skip as of now. Click on Submit. Similarly, we will create an analyst and end user roles. Click on Admin, Role Template. Add menu configuration. Template name will be Sun_end user. So now, we don't want our end user to have access to all the dashboards. Only user dashboard access will be sufficient. And this user dashboard we have already seen in screen navigation. So I will only check user dashboard checkbox and click on refresh button again. Select the landing page as user dashboard. As end user will not have any access to admin screen, we will start giving access with the incident management as it will be our first module to start with. End user will have only basic access, like they should be able to create incident, they should be able to view the incident created by them. If you just check the view access, they will be able to only view the incidents or new incident creation page. They will not have access to submit button. So make sure you select Edit Access so that they can submit the incident. Let's click on Submit. Go back to Show List. Here we have End User Template. Again go back to End User Template. Click on Other Configuration because we are still pending with the tenant access. So we will be providing only general screen access to the end user. We will not provide admin and report screen access to the end user role. Submit this configuration now. We have 2 roles created successfully. Now, let's create third role, that is for analyst. Click on Add New button. Create an analyst role named Sun_analyst. Now, let's understand this, your analyst is also end user. Analyst will also report issue, service request. This is one part of their role. Second part is, they will resolve the issue reported by end users, fulfill the service requests. Now, while creating the analyst role, I will give access to Analyst Dashboard, a Knowledge Dashboard page. Click on Refresh button before select the landing page. Select Landing Page as Analyst Dashboard. Click on Incident Management module from the module list. Select the appropriate access to be given. So, let's select Edit Access for Incident List, which will allow analysts to select, open and work on incidents. Also, make sure you give new incident for user creation access, work order creation access and work order view access. Click on Submit. Again, we need to give tenant access. Provide general screen and report screen access for the tenant. Analyst role will not have access to admin screen. And save the settings. Click on Show List. And now we have successfully created 3 role templates. You may have multiple role templates requirement for your organization. You can even create separate role for reports or for asset management. For that role you will be assigning the access related to reports and asset management module form the list. Every Every user needs minimum end-user role access and plus other role he is playing, either analyst or administrator. So make sure for every user you assign end-user role.